Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong reaction video. Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy may pahayag tungkol sa pandinig ng Kamara versus sa SMNI. Alright, narito ang programang matuwid sa mga baluktot na paniniwala ng usaping dapat malaman ng taong bayan. Ang programang walang kinikilingan, walang takot, na ilalantad ng buong katotohanan, yan ang SMNI. At panoorin po natin ng buong detalye dito sa ating Pastor Kibuloy. Alright, no other further ado, let's watch.
Well, God have mercy upon the Philippines. May it go well, and everybody finds enlightenment, and that the freedom of expression and the press will not be muzzled. And we hope that they can see the contribution of SMNI to society, which is our intention for nation building.
Ito ang naging tugon ni Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy ng The Kingdom of Jesus Christ kaugnay sa naging pagdinig ng House Committee in Legislative Franchises sa prangkisa ng Sunshine Media Network International o SMNI. Sa isang panayam ay nilinaw ni Pastor Apollo na hindi intensyon ng SMNI na manira. Sa halip ay binigyang diin muli ng butihing pastor na ang SMNI ay para lamang sa nation building.
We do not intend to destroy anyone. We practice good, ethical, and critical journalism because that is the role of media. And that is also the essence of democracy. The aim of SMNI is it's not to tarnish, it is not to destroy, but we are for nation building. And we are strengthening the republic by being the mouthpiece of the people who have been aggrieved by the abuses of the NPA.
Samantala, natuwa at nagpasalamat naman si Pastor Apollo sa mga taga-suporta ng SMNI sa buong mundo.
Well, we received comments from around the world. There is no negative comments about us. They are all with us. They sympathize with SMNI. They sympathize with our cause, and that is what give me the energy and the joy to know that the people are with SMNI. Thank you for the supporters that I've received all over the country and all over the world for SMNI.
Para sa Diyos at Pilipinas kong mahal, Angel Pastor, SMNI News.
Alright, napakinggan po natin, yan na po ang pahayag ni Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy na may pandinig sa Kamara versus sa SMNI. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, and no other further ado, see you at the next one. Thank you guys.